Alright, so we got our Blackstone Grill here, and we're cooking up some chicken fajitas. So I went ahead, turned the grill on, and start cooking all the peppers. So I cut up red, yellow, and orange peppers, a yellow onion. I'm just getting those started here on the grill before I add in the chicken. Alright, so peppers are about halfway done. I went ahead and put on the chicken now. So just letting the chicken simmer on there. For seasoning, I've put a little bit of bold Cajun seasoning over on the peppers, but then once it's all cooked, I'm going to be adding this skillet sauce, classic fajita with chipotle and lime. So this should be pretty good, and it's going to be nice and juicy too. So instead of a powder seasoning, now this liquid. I'm going to add just a little water here to give it a little sizzle. Alright, the chicken got a little brown, the onions are looking good. So every once in a while I'll put just a little water down. Give a little sizzle there. Another minute or two, I'm going to add the seasoning. So again, I added the classic fajita skillet with chipotle and lime sauce. Smells so good. So I'm just letting that warm up all over the food here.